Okay guys, this is a short video on how to filter your order forms. What happens on Excel, it has several tabs up here at the top, and depending on what you have open, you need to go to the Home tab, and you'll see this button over here in the upper right hand corner, Sort and Filter. Go to A because that's where all of our quantities are going to be in this column. We click on the A so we light up the whole column. Go to Sort and Filter. Hit the filter button. We should have a little arrow right there. That arrow allows you to shrink the column. So for example, let's say we put a couple items on this order form, just for the purposes of this example. We hit the arrow button. We want to filter out all the empty blanks, so it shrinks it down to a manageable size where you can either print it off for a customer or keep it for your own files. The second thing on this order form, I tend to delete all this or clear contents because a lot of times I'll print these out for my customer. The other thing you can do on this order form is to get it printed out on one page, you can actually delete these columns, and you should be able to print out in one page right now. So the extra thing you might want to do on this order form is whenever you fill in anything on these lines in the A column, so let's say you had some special instructions you want to write out here for the customer, or you had some special instructions for a glass guy or something. You can just put little dots, you can put ones, you can put question marks, dollar signs, whatever you want in these columns, and it'll filter. You have to expand it open big again. You got to scroll all the way to the top so you'll see that little arrow, and see now it'll leave these lines here, so if you printed anything in this open area, it would actually show it on the form. For example, so I wrote that in there. I take that filtering out. When we shrink it again, it's not there because I didn't put that one little mark on it. So make sure if you want to have any extra instructions or extra special items that you want down in there, make sure that little mark or something's in that block, so it'll show it when it's filtered. There you go. That's how you filter the order forms.